Open the rails on both sides. Gentlemen, on the count of three, we'll lift all together in unison. On three, 1, 2, 3, we'll lift together. And go straight over the church. And I'll let you know what to say. Just a little bit more, and we'll just check it out.
The family in the wings, let me know.
Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, we invite you to follow us out. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. Was once, but now I see. There's a couple of those that we need to start. Have a slight downhill, just a slight downhill. Everyone, please grab the handles as we guide the casket.
Let's keep coming out.
We're now going to hold the position right over here. The casket will be going on top of the mat. Does somebody want to get, maybe we'll have at least 4 pallbearers inside the truck already? Oh, 2 inside?
4 of the tallest ones come over here on the side.
Okay, they're going to be over the top.
On the left side, Michael. Back, go on the right side. Hey, grab the thing. Feel this under.
Pallbearers on 3. So the pallbearers that you're going to lift first, and then pallbearers here. Once you get up high, you're going to pull it up. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Up first, all the way, as high as you can get it. High as you can get it. Got it.
You need to go all the way to the left. Right on.
Perfect. And then, pallbearers, I'm gonna give you, once you push the handles in, I'm gonna give you the church truck to put alongside. Good. Now we should. Good. James, here's the church truck.
Let's go. Inside.
slam it one more time to make sure it's all the way good.
When I say time, y'all say volley. Time. Volley. Time. Volley. When I say time, y'all say volley. Time. Volley. Time. Volley. Make some noise.
That's what I'm talking
In the words of volley, keep it hey, yeah.
Jamie. They're Jamie.
Jamie.
Who's
Jamie?
Ladies and gentlemen, Ernesto has the orange stickers for your vehicle. Just let him know that you need them.
Give me one.
Whatever you got going on in. Yeah, sure, of course.
Had to stand through these tears cause I see you every time my eyes close. Asking myself why you had to go, but only God knows. I was in Miami when I lost you, I ain't talking about it. Remember I bawled out in tears when I saw your body. And I flight back home, had cold days in LA. Had to turn on my phone, throw on the shades and measure. I wishing you I'm blind. I had your